Good morning, fourth grade scholars. Today we are going to discuss the paired text you just read with your teacher from idea to book. Now that you have read the text and discussed the comprehension questions, we are going to compare this text to the main text, My Librarian is a Camel. In order to compare two texts, look at the topic, genre, and organization of each. The topic is what the text is mostly about. The social studies based text, My Camel is a Librarian, is mostly about different kinds of libraries around the world. The story from idea to book taught us the process of how books are written and published. Although both texts were about books, the topics are very different. Both passages are informational text. They are nonfiction, and as we read, we learned facts and true information. Each had many nonfiction text features that added to our understanding of the text. In this passage, My Librarian is a Camel, there are many maps and different text features and photographs with captions that helped us really see what was being described. It helped us see the different communities. And from idea to book, there was a graphic that showed the process from start to finish using little pictures and arrows to show after this process is done, it moves to the next process. So that really helped me see and understand how books are made. And then the third thing to think about is how each text was organized. How did each author present the information and facts? My Camel as a Librarian was organized so that each country had its own page. Clear headings showed what country each page was about. From idea to book was organized in sequential order. It teaches the reader the process of writing, editing, and publishing a book from start to finish. Notice the sequencing words like first, second, then, and finally. One of the reasons why it's so important to compare texts using these different topics and genre and organization is that we see what is similar, what's different, and so that we also look for the details. How did I know what the topic was? How could I understand what the genre was? How is this book organized is a really good way for me to think beginning, middle, and end. For example, My Librarian is a Camel. Each country had its own page. It was not in sequential order, so it didn't really have a beginning, middle, and end. I could go to each individual country, learn about it, and then move on to the next country. Today we did a great job working hard and thinking about the two texts that we have read. Keep up the great work, and I will see you again tomorrow.